What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are, back to the home pond. We've been traveling all over this year. Feels good to be back. Nice warm day. Got the t-shirt going. We're gonna be fishing deep today. Rigged up a few rods. Excited to get out there. So hopefully they're pulling current. I saw yesterday they were pulling 8,000. Let's go ahead and check that real quick. That'll tell us what we need to do as far as the bite goes, but there it is right there on the deep dive app. 15,000, that's better than yesterday, so hopefully they'll be biting. We'll see. It's still not very good. I like it to be 20 to 40,000, but 15,000 will be all right. Maybe they'll pick it up later in the day. We might have to check that. Lake level's a foot low. That could bring the fish out deep better. Wind effects. We're not on Smith. There we are, Guntersville. You can zoom in there. You can look throughout the day and see the direction and how much it's going to be blowing. Those blue dots, it's actually going to be pretty calm, so I like that. Water clarity is decent. I like that too. So excited to get out there. It's going to be fun. You can see your water inflow and stream flow points. Bait tools, there we go. Drop shot Carolina rig. Spook if they come up busting. That's pretty spot on for out deep when they're not pulling much current. We're going to try to make them bite a little more moving baits, but there you go, a swim bait, deep crank, hair jig, Demiki. So it does have other things I want to throw, but that's not the top recommendation. That's not the top three since they're not pulling a ton of current. Mid-lake best, football jig on shell. That's pretty spot on. So we're going to be fishing some deep spots today, some shell spots. Excited. Gonna take the boat out, about to dump in. It's going to be a fun day. Hopefully we get on some biggins. Y'all stay tuned. Real quick before we get into the video, I'm about to install something cool I just got. It's the FLEXIMOUNT GL1. So this is my wife's garage here, and it's just cluttered with all my stuff. So we're installing a garage ceiling storage lift real quick, and it is gonna make all this cluttered area a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna put it together. It's in this box here, and we're gonna throw it up on the ceiling, get all of this, the mower, gas cans, bunch of stuff out of the way. Stuff we only use every so often. And I'll be able to raise and lower it when I need it. So let's throw that GL1 up. All right, we just got the FLEXIMOUNT GL1 hung and just got it loaded down. Come take a look real quick. We emptied out everything that was on the floor there. We have 2 of these pads, we have some rugs, we have some painting stuff, all of our painting equipment. We have a wheelbarrow full of stuff, our grass seed, our seed spreader, pots, everything else. And the cool thing is it comes with a way to twist up the platform itself, but what's really cool is you can hook this drill to it right here, and it drills up really fast. Then you just take the lever off, lock it back in place, and you are ready to go for the next time. So, super sweet. Everything's out of the way. My wife gets her garage back. What you think about that, honey?
That's pretty impressive.
You have room for activities now.
Room.
So much room for activities. But want to share with you a couple last things about the GL1. Its lifting design does include that hand crank, and if you don't have a power drill, the maximum lifting range is 79 inches. It holds up to 300 pounds. We about have 300 on there, and it's super sturdy still. It's sturdy and safe, high quality design. Maximize your garage space. It's a 4x4 platform on the bottom there. Easy installation, right up top, out of the way. Y'all check them out in the description below. Let's get back to fishing. Well, pulling up to the first little stop. Let's see if we can find anything. Got one. Yeah. It's a good one too. Oh yeah. Boom, baby. Largie number 1 for the day. Had to pull out the 6XD. Oh, gosh dang, he's mad. With it. Haha. Let's go. 3.5. Let's get another one. That's what I'm talking about. Cranking them into the wind. Next. Well, we're just gaffing around. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the current back up, show y'all. Oh, check that out. They started pulling 20,000 gallons in the last 30 minutes. 10 o'clock they started pulling 20K. That should turn the bite on, get them schooled up a little more. Hopefully we'll find them soon. Alright, let's try the big minnow. No bites yet. I'm gonna douse it up in some bump gel. Had a couple follow the big minnow. No biters. Yeah. There we go. We can get some darker green dump chill out on this cloudy day. Put that on. Actually, this is a different color. Thought I grabbed green. Oh well. It should still help. It's just the scent mainly. The color does a little bit, but the scent does a lot. The flakes fireworking off of there. There we go. Second cast with it down there. I don't think he's very big. Look at that. I thought a bigger minnow would catch a bigger bass. Nope. Caught a 2-pounder. That's fun. Twisted me all up. There's one. Oh, yeah, that feels like a good one there. Oh, yeah. Cranking again. Yeah, buddy. That's a nice one. Wanted the crankbait, folks. Oh, another 3 1/4 probably. A little bit smaller than that last 3. Now they're turning on. Start pulling a little more current. Bam, bam. Back to back. 1 on the minnow, 1 on the crank. 3 1/4. Let's get another one. Throwing the old root beer, folks. Orange bottom, pearl sides, green splatter top. Linked in the description below. Well, let's try something else. Let's try the little minnow. 5-inch Z2. Ooh, I'm sore. There we go. Hit him. First cast with the 5-inch Z2. Boom, baby. It's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, that's another nice one. Gosh. Boom. 3 1/2. They're healthy. He wanted it. Swallowed that thing. That's what I'm talking about right there. Good one. They are biting now. 5-inch Z2. Link below. There's one. Hey, we picked the crankbait back up. Crankbait has been the main player today. That's a good one too. Okay, so number 3, I think, for the crankbait. I don't know if I can bow flip this one. Oh gosh, that's a 5 or 6. Oh my gosh, we gotta get him. We gotta get him. Oh, he's on 1 hook. 1 hook. Oh baby, that's like a 6, right? Oh my gosh, he just pooped everywhere. Look at that. That fish stank. He literally just pooped everywhere. I have never seen a fish poop so much in my life. What the heck? 6-pounder, folks. Wow. Big ol' 6-pounder. Just, he's pooping everywhere. I gotta let him go. See, bud. Oh my gosh, he just pooped everywhere. Good thing I have aqua traction. Wow. That's gonna make the boat smell great in the shop. Yeah. Oh my goodness, watch, look at that, wash right out. Won't get down in my carpet, so we don't have carpet. That's funny. I could just clean it later, but it's too easy to just rinse off real quick. And it's gone. Gosh. I cycled through all my baits here. Came back to the root beer crank. And there we go. Bam. Bam. Smoked it. Big one too. Gosh, we're hooked up again. We got us another one, folks, on the very next cast. Oh, he might be just as big. He might, oh gosh, it's a good one. There's a boat coming by. Oh, it's a big one. Come on, stay down. Oh, he might be just as big. Gosh, he's not quite as big. I don't think we should boat flip him though. Oh, he's only got 1 hook. Boat flip. There's one that's pushing 5. Probably shouldn't have boat flipped him, but a giant. Gosh, just a giant, back to back. Gotta love the ledge bite. Gotta love it. 5-pounder. Big old 5-pounder. That is awesome. They are chewing today. I gotta get a selfie. Boom. Biggin. Going back. See you, girl. Let's get another one. And can we make it 3 casts in a row? That's the question. We are sure gonna try. That is awesome. The old root beer. Both fish only had 1 hook. Fortunate to catch them. I boat flipped that one. I saw the hook was in there good, but he still only had 1 hook in the corner of his mouth. He's probably 4.5. I don't know if he was 5. That first one though, I mean the one before him was pushing 6. Biggins. So cool. Oh my gosh, we got us another one. So I did not get one on the 3rd cast in a row, but yeah, I got one on the 4th cast. Skipped the cast. Gosh, this is fun. Just smoking them. Absolutely smoking them. Gosh. Thanks for biting, little dude. Little dude. He's only 2 3/4 or 3. He's probably a 3. That's little dude. Say bye. Grow bigger. Oh man, I love the home lake. It's good to be back. Good to be back. Well, they picked the current up and they started really hitting. It just took them about an hour to turn on after that. Oh my gosh, I just missed one. Dang it. Took them about an hour to turn on after they picked up the current, because it takes a while for it to get moved down the lake. So right when you see it pick up, give it a little bit of time, because that's way up by the Tennessee Dam. And it is 11:13, so it's only been 30 minutes since they turned it up. Now they're biting. Should probably retie before we hook an 8, but having too much fun. And they haven't been hooked all the way, but we are grinding the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna retie after this cast. Gosh, after I catch this fish. Oh, he's coming to jump. Man, that's fun. Gosh. I love it. I love it. A baby. Just a baby. 2 1/4. I still can't believe how much that one was pooping. Alright. Before we catch another 8-pounder for the year, we're going to retie the old root beer. They're loving the root beer color today. Gosh, haven't used this in a while. I love it. Old 6XD. Right there. Not using live scope or nothing. We're casting the opposite way of the front of our boat. Catching them. You don't need live scope to catch these deep fish. Oh, we got another one. Man, I should be doing a live. This is incredible. This is another big one. Come to jump. Oh, don't jump. Ah, he didn't jump. Gosh. Good thing we retied. Oh, I got him hooked in the side of the head. He's a short, fat one. Wow. That's why he felt so big. Hooked right in the side of the head. Woo! I'm definitely linking this 6XD in the description for y'all. They are loving it. Gosh. That's a healthy chunk. Pushing 3. He's real short. Got it. Yep, another one on the crank. Gosh, this is fun. He feels heavy too. Oh man. I don't know how big he is, but gosh, he's fighting. Oh, it's a stud. He's over 4. Should I flip? Yep. Oh my gosh. That might be the fattest bass I've ever caught on Guntersville. I don't know. I've caught some fat ones. Oh, look how short and fat that fish is. Is he gonna poop everywhere? I think he might. We gotta take a picture with him real quick before he starts pooping everywhere. I'm gonna dunk him because he's already pooping. Oh my gosh, he's feeding up. Gosh. Y'all name this fish. He is so fat. Short, fat. Still over 4. My goodness. I gotta take a break. My arms are hurting. Crank festival going on. We both flipped 2 4-pounders on 12-pound test with our crankbait. Not the smartest idea, but we didn't lose them. That 12-pound P-Line Tactical Fluoro is what we use. You guys always ask what we have going on, so that's it. That was a short and fat dude. Wow. So fat. Whew. Oh, time to move. They quit biting. That was fun. We caught a lot of them. Let's go find another spot. Yeah, how you doing?
Good. My name's Zach. My wife won't let me talk to you in church.
Oh yeah?
I wonder if I could get a picture with you and do a dive.
Sure, man. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, man. I actually caught him right about where we were on a deep crank earlier. Pretty good, yeah.
Well, there's one right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I caught a couple 5s, a 4, and a 10.
Nice. Dude, that's awesome. There's one. I got him in the back. Yeah. Big old spot. That's fun. Look at that, folks. Hooked him right in the back. Big old spotty. Yeah, man, let's get a picture. Do what?
Which side would be better for you to come on?
Either way.
I don't want to mess you up.
You're good. There's one. Dude smoked it. It's either a white bass or he's really swimming towards me. It's a white. Oh, whitey. Thanks for biting. Gosh, that feels like a good one. That is not a white. That is a giant something. Definitely not a white. Oh, it is a white. It was hooked in the side for a second. Another one. Just getting back home from fishing. What an incredible day. We are flaying up these white bass. Got a bunch of them. Check that out. Woo! Some good fillets. Got a whole pail full. So we kept about 10 of them. That's a lot of meat right there. Gonna stock the freezer up with those. But had a blast out there fishing deep. God is good. The Lord provides. And He provided today. We caught some big largies. Cranking, folks. Caught them cranking. That was awesome. Cranking down deep, bumping the bottom. They'd come out and smoke it. Right when that current turned on, it picked up a lot. Ended up catching a bunch of whites cranking in another area and just had a blast. So just want to end it with a verse you've probably heard, but Jesus walked up to a couple of the disciples and asked if they'd caught any fish, and they said, no, we've been out here all night. And He said, go cast your net on the other side. And they pulled up a load that was so big they couldn't even get it in the boat without breaking the net. So follow the Lord. He has big plans for you and me, for all of us. When we follow Him, when we seek Him, when we listen to what He says. I encourage you to do that today. We're going to clean up after flaying and stick these guys in the freezer. Go help out with the babies. Go have fun. They're not babies anymore, but there are babies. There are toddlers now, running around like crazy. We'll catch y'all in the next video, Fishing with Norby.